Today we have come up with a flavorful rice dish which is very quick and easy to make in a single pot. Welcome to Soundfx, the world of simple quick recipes. For this tomato rice recipe, we just need very few ingredients. We need 3 tomatoes, 3 onions, 2-3 garlic pods, whole spices like cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and bay leaves, a few split cashew nuts and mint leaves. First cut onions and garlic into thin slices and cut tomatoes also into small cubes. For this recipe, I have taken 1 cup of basmati rice. Meanwhile, soak it in water for half an hour. Since this is a single pot dish, try to use a thick bottom steel pot or a non-stick one to prevent it from sticking. Add oil to the pot and first of all, fry the cashew nuts and keep it aside for topping later. Adding ghee instead of oil will give a really good taste to the dish. To the same pan, add spices and saute it for a while. And add onions, some salt, and add the chopped garlic as well. And saute it until the onions turn a bit brown in color. Add oil in between if needed. Now add the tomatoes and mix it. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. And add mint leaves. It gives a very good flavor to the dish. Now cover and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes until the tomatoes are really soft and cooked. To this, add the previously soaked and drained rice. For 1 cup of rice, add 1.5 cups of water. From the mashed tomato, there will be still some liquid left, and so 1.5 cups of water would be enough here. Check salt and add accordingly. It should be a little bit in front. Now add a pinch of sugar also to balance the flavors. So keep on high flame until it boils. And then cover it, reduce the flame and cook it for further 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, check it and you can see that there is no water and the rice is almost cooked. So just mix it and top it with cashews and coriander leaves. Close it and keep it for a while. Now it's ready to serve. You can have it with yogurt cucumber salad and pickle, and it also goes really well with fried or grilled chicken. It's really rich of flavors and a great dish for a quick lunch or dinner. Just try it out. We would be really happy to see your comments. So please support us by subscribing the channel. So see you all with another simple recipe next time. Bye.